Chris and Tiffany here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video because today is our 2-year channel anniversary. All right, 2 years. Can y'all believe we have been doing this for 2 years? Can you believe it's been 2 years already?
No, it doesn't seem like 2 years.
Doesn't seem like it's been 2 years, you're right. But it has been. We have been on YouTube officially for 2 years. We've been doing High Seas Cruising for 2 years, putting out videos and just having general conversations with the wonderful cruising community out there. And it has been a heck of a good 2 years. It's been great. It has been awesome. Now, I'm telling you guys the story. I like to tell this story. I told it last year in the channel anniversary video. So I'm going to tell it again this year. How did we get started? Well, 2 years ago, a little over 2 years ago, it was, of course, in the middle of the pandemic. I was watching cruising videos, and I always kept telling Tiffany that they were missing something.
Yes.
Just didn't have every little bit of information I wanted. Weren't quite exactly what I was looking for. So I told her, I said, hey, why don't we start doing our own? And Tiffany said, man, you're crazy. What are you doing? She said, why? You're not going to stick with it. You're not going to keep up with it. It's never going to last. Sounds like some of the things you said, isn't it?
Yeah, you get on these kicks where you get interested in something and you're all in and then you just stop.
Well, you got to find the one thing that you really, really love doing.
Yeah, I'm the same way, so.
Right. And here we are 2 years later. So first and foremost, we really honestly have to say thank you to everybody out there, because we wouldn't be here if it wasn't for people watching our videos. It wouldn't be here. We wouldn't be here if it wasn't for people coming on the live videos and leaving their comments and creating a cruising community where you ask questions and we share information and we all just, get together and enjoy the wonderful joys of cruising.
Yeah.
I mean, what do you think? How has this 2-year journey been for you?
It's been exciting. We've gotten to meet new people, and that's what I like the most about it. Yes, the cruising is fun. I enjoy going to the different places, but meeting the people is what excites me, talking to them, getting to know them, so.
Tiffany doesn't like doing the videos, by the way.
No, I don't like doing the videos, but.
She doesn't, but she's gotten a lot better. She has gotten a lot better. So we want to keep this a little short, keep this a little sweet. Again, we just want to say thank you to everybody out there, but we're going to share some information. Let's see how much we have actually grown here in the last year. So how many views did we get for our second year?
672,698 views.
It's over 600,000?
Yes.
600,000 views. That is all you guys.
Yes.
Over 600,000 views. That I'd have to do the math to see how many videos a day that is, but wow. That is a lot. Again, thank you. Thank you, thank you. All right, so what does that translate into watch hours?
Watch time hours is 54,934.9.
54,000 hours of watch time. And how many new subscribers did we get last year?
We have actually gotten over 2,394 new subscribers in the last year.
Wow, over 2,300 of y'all have joined us in just the last year. Man, that is a humbling number.
Very humbling.
That is a humbling number to think that 2,300 people have joined our channel, subscribed to our channel, and watch our videos.
Yeah, very humbling.
Again, this is all you guys. So we wouldn't be here today making this video if it wasn't for you folks at home. You guys deserve every bit of this credit. Every single bit of this credit goes out to you guys for watching our videos. We cannot thank you enough. And we are so looking forward to what year 3 is going to bring.
Yeah.
We have so many upcoming cruises. Looking forward to, sharing all of the cruising love that we have with everybody out there. It's going to be an awesome 3rd year.
Yeah, it is. I'm excited.
I'm excited too. All right. Again, we're going to keep it short. We're going to keep it sweet. And we're going to go ahead and bring this video to an end. Again, thank you everybody out there. Let's get a great start on year number 3. And we're going to start year number 3 off actually tomorrow morning, because tomorrow morning's Tips from Tiffany. So Tiffany is going to be setting the tone for year number 3. How's that pressure, baby?
Oh, that's a lot of pressure.
That's a lot of pressure. All right. Thank you, everybody, for joining us on this journey. Again, we really, really appreciate it. If you have enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and do what?
Give it a thumbs up.
That's right. Hit that like button for me. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow so we can get those numbers up for year number 3. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day.
And as always, we'll see you out on the high seas.